Okay, you guys, I just got the best idea. We're potty training my son right now. Just went to the fabric store. I got some PUL and some flannel. I'm gonna make some pee pads for the car seat, stroller, and wherever else he needs to sit for a little while. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna pre-wash the flannel because it will shrink. So I'm gonna put it in the dryer. You don't need to wash the other one, the PUL, because it will not shrink. This is the other fabric, the PUL, and it is waterproof. Now I want the pee pad to be about 14 by 14 inches. So I'm gonna cut mine 15 by 15 to allow for seam allowance. There'll be a little bit of waste, but you could always use this to make some snack bags or something later. I bought half a yard of fabric of the PUL, and in total I was able to get 4 squares that measure 15 by 15 inches. I bought 1 full yard of the flannel. I thought that I was gonna get enough to do 2 layers of flannel per pee pad, but I actually only got 4 15 by 15 inch squares. There's 2 different ways that you can sew this. Do it right sides facing out. If you have a serger, and then you can just serge all around the edge, which is a lot quicker. So I'm going to show you both ways. I should have pinned the other way. Okay, I'm going to start in here because I don't want to start on a corner. I am going to take a little bit off because I wanted it to be a little bit smaller. So at the corner, I'm just going to do a nice round corner. I'm just kind of trying to push it flat. I'm not pulling it or anything. I'm just kind of trying to keep it flat. I like to leave a nice long tail here so I can tuck it in. Okay, I got the first one done. I think it turned out really nice. The car seat, I'm going to put it with the flannel side up so that it will absorb any pee, and then this is waterproof to keep it from leaking through. Now I'll show you how to sew the other kind. Right sides together, so put the flannel side up and then the PUL side down. When you're pinning the PUL, make sure to pin it close to where you're going to be sewing because this is waterproof fabric, so you are poking holes in it. If it's right at the edge where you're going to sew, it's okay though. Try and match it up as best you can. Okay, so I don't want to have my hole on a corner, so I'm going to start kind of in the middle of one side. Just going to take my pin out. I'm using my walking foot, so it's going to feed a little bit easier, and I do also find it runs smoother. It's so smoother when the PUL is on the top. Both ways are a bit challenging, but let's start and stop. You could make it rounded if you want. Just gonna go square to simplify things. So you're gonna sew all the way around just like I'm doing. I don't have my tripod set up, so I'm gonna just sew it and then I'll show you. I'm gonna leave about 4 finger width hole here. I just reinforced. I went back and forth a little bit where I stopped. I'm gonna lift my, gonna cut it first and then lift my foot up. And now I'm just gonna trim these corners off, not too tight, but just to get rid of the excess. This is where the hole is, and so I'm going to flip it right sides out. And the easiest to work from the inside and push out. see it kind of like bubbles, right? You hear where it opens up, so I'm just gonna follow that in, and that's where, this is where I'm gonna start and stop to do my top stitching. So I'm gonna start with this hole. I'm gonna have the flannel on the back, and I'm just gonna top stitch all the way around. At the corners, I just make sure my needle is down, and then I turn it. I don't know what it is exactly, but I've definitely been putting off potty training with my son. We're about a week into it now, and it's going pretty good. I think you just kind of got to expect that there's going to be lots of laundry, there's going to be pee and poop in the pants, and that's okay because, you know, I don't always get everything right the first time I try, right? Here's this one. When you do it this way, I think you end up with a much nicer finish. I think it just looks, it looks better to me. This is the serge one. This is the other one. To me, this is way more finished than this. But who really cares? It's a pee pad. This is way faster, so I did all the rest like this because, yeah, it's just a pee pad. He's going to be peeing on it, so who really cares, right? If you got potty training tips, leave them in the comments because you never know who it's going to help, myself included. Okay, so we're going to put this in the car seat. Might pee up this way. He doesn't even know this is up like this. This will be so much easier than cleaning the car seat if he has a pee. Good luck if you're a potty training mom, and I'm sending you all the patience in the world. But before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and check us out on Instagram at Sew Right Creations for daily DIYs.